Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to Box Hill for a 15-kilometer hike. The weather looks pleasant. It's a bit cloudy, but that's the best we can hope for. So without further ado, let's get going. As usual, I have no idea where I'm going and where the hike starts. And I'm just sort of seeing a group going somewhere from the station, so I'm just following them and I hope they will lead us to the start of the hike. So the only issue is that today I couldn't get the earliest of starts and we have to complete this hike in around 5 hours. Otherwise, we will not be able to finish it before the sun sets. And I don't want to hike during the dark. I want to catch the return train while there's still some sunlight. This looks like the start of the hike. I did read somewhere that Stepping Stones is either the start or the end of the hike. I guess it really depends on where you begin, but yeah, I think we'll just follow this path for now. I saw everyone going right, so let's just go left. Okay, so I guess our hike has officially started. Usually this is a very popular spot for hiking, but again, due to coronavirus, there are not a lot of people here. In fact, I cannot see anyone here. I'm the only one walking on this trail, so I just hope that I don't encounter any wild animals. I'm not sure if there are any wild animals here. Pretty sure we are supposed to go this way, but I'm very curious what is on this path. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head this way along this path. Yeah, we are being extra adventurous today, even though we are short on time. So yeah, I'm an idiot. Yeah. Yes, I need to invest in some good hiking shoes because I'm wearing my running shoes right now and I'm slipping and yeah, I need to invest in some good hiking shoes. Hello.
Hi.
This one is not easy. I think I underestimated this hike. It's gonna take us longer than I thought, so we'll just have to keep moving. So we made it to the viewpoint. So this was supposed to be our last part of the hike, so I'm definitely sure that we went the wrong way. We should have gone right through the stepping stones. Which way? I'm not sure. I think that path is going to the road. Let's go there and eat something. Yeah, if we can find a cafe, so that won't be bad, otherwise we'll come back. I don't think we'll encounter any people here. I've not seen anyone going this way. They all seem to be headed up that way, the other way to the road for some reason. I think we should keep a check on the adventure part now. It is possible we might have diverted from the main path. Okay, so what, do I just make a run for it, or I guess let's just make a run for it. Let's go. Whew. Wow, that was scary. It's very windy now and the wind is going opposite our direction, so yeah, now we are really starting to get screwed. Alright, let's keep moving. That's somewhere you can stop to eat, or you can go on about your hike. Let's just go check out what they have on the menu. I'm a bit hungry and I'm not carrying any food. So I'm confused between a veg burrito or a veg nacho bean burger.
Hello. Drink too.
Do you have any hot chocolate? You serve
Hot chocolate? Yeah.
Actually, you know what? No, I'll go for a chocolate milkshake.
Chocolate
cold.
milkshake,
Yeah. And I'll have a nacho bean burger.
A nacho bean burger, yeah. Is that with fries, curly fries, or is that potato?
Fries, yeah.
Fries, yeah. No worries at all. I'll sort that out for you, okay?
Thank you so much. This is one of the tastiest burgers I've ever had. So that was a good meal. Yeah, one thing I want to remind everyone is please support local businesses. It's essential that we support them now. And if you want to come back here again someday, then we'll need to support them. Yeah, we messed that up. So we weren't supposed to go that way. We were supposed to find another route. We reached the town, so we're back here. This time we are going close to the tower, or whatever that is. I don't know. Okay, I injured my hand a bit. That's not very useful, is it? There's public footpath everywhere. As you can see, it's pretty dark now, but we have to get one final shot of the stepping stones walk. This is one shot I have to get for you guys. So okay, so this was supposed to be the stepping stones walk, but as you can see, the stones are underwater now, so we can't go there. Okay, so now it's time to head back to the station and take the earliest possible train. So it's exhausted. It's 5. I took the 5 p.m. train, and I'll see you directly at home. So I reached home, absolutely exhausted, but yeah. Like squad, if you liked the vlog, please feel free to hit that like button. If you absolutely loved it, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!